What if I told you that eating just half a pomegranate could start an irreversible reaction in your body that dramatically improves your heart health? 5 years ago, a major pomegranate company got in trouble with the Federal Trade Commission for making exaggerated health claims about their products. The irony? Pomegranates don't need any hype. The real science behind what this ancient fruit does to your cardiovascular system is absolutely mind-blowing. But here's the terrifying reality. Heart disease remains the #1 killer worldwide, and most people have no idea what's really happening inside their cardiovascular system as they age. Right now, as you're watching this video, your heart is facing a silent, invisible enemy that's slowly destroying it from the inside out. Here's what's actually happening in your body. 90% of your energy comes from microscopic structures in your cells called mitochondria. Your heart contains billions, probably trillions, of these tiny mitochondria that work like batteries to keep your heart pumping. When these mitochondria become damaged or defective, they're supposed to self-destruct through a process called mitophagy, and your cells should make brand new ones. But here's the devastating problem. When we're younger, this mitophagy process happens frequently and efficiently. As we age, this process slows down dramatically. Toxins don't get recycled or removed fast enough, making our heart cells age faster and work less efficiently. Studies on humans and animals have revealed that poor mitochondrial function is directly associated with declining cardiovascular health, reduced exercise capacity, and increased risk of heart disease. Meanwhile, your arteries are under attack. The walls become hard and inflexible, creating blockages that restrict blood flow. Blood clots form more easily in these compromised vessels. Your blood pressure rises as your cardiovascular system struggles to pump blood through increasingly resistant pathways. Inflammation spreads throughout your arterial walls, creating the perfect storm for heart attacks and strokes. The traditional medical approach focuses on managing symptoms after problems develop, prescribing blood thinners, blood pressure medications, and cholesterol drugs. But what if there was a way to address these issues at the cellular level, actually reversing some of the damage and protecting your heart before it's too late? Recent studies have revealed that pomegranates contain a precursor to one of the most powerful anti-aging molecules ever discovered, and it's specifically targeting the microscopic powerhouses in your heart cells. But here's the catch that most people don't know. Not everyone can unlock these benefits, and there's a right way and a wrong way to consume pomegranates for maximum heart protection. This is where pomegranates become absolutely revolutionary for heart health. Let me reveal the 7 insane ways this ancient fruit specifically targets and protects your cardiovascular system at the cellular level. Benefit number 1, mitochondrial rejuvenation through urolithin. When you eat a pomegranate, something incredible happens in your gut that most people have never heard of. The fruit contains compounds called elagitinins, and when your gut bacteria interact with these compounds, they convert them into a powerful molecule called urolithin A. This is where the magic happens for your heart. Studies have shown that urolithin A promotes mitophagy, that crucial process of clearing out damaged mitochondria, and actually produces more mitochondria in your heart cells. A groundbreaking study demonstrated that urolithin A helped improve mitochondrial function in elderly individuals, and these effects mimicked how regular exercise benefits your heart muscle. This means pomegranates are literally helping your heart cells produce more energy and work more efficiently, just like the heart of a much younger person. By the way, please support our channel by clicking subscribe. Benefit number 2, natural blood thinning and clot prevention. Pomegranates act as a natural blood thinner, helping to break down blood clots that may be forming in your arteries right now. The antioxidants in pomegranates help prevent platelets from sticking together and forming dangerous clots. This blood thinning effect allows blood to flow more freely through your arteries, dramatically reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Unlike synthetic blood thinners that can have serious side effects, pomegranates provide this protection naturally while simultaneously delivering other heart protective compounds. The fruit helps maintain optimal blood viscosity, ensuring your heart doesn't have to work harder than necessary to pump blood throughout your body. Benefit number 3, arterial wall restoration. Here's something that will blow your mind. Pomegranates can actually reverse arterial hardening. As we age, arterial walls become hard and inflexible, but pomegranates contain specific antioxidants that help remove this hardness from arterial walls. This process increases blood flow and allows better circulation throughout your entire cardiovascular system. The polyphenols in pomegranates help restore arterial elasticity, making your blood vessels more flexible and responsive to changes in blood flow demands. This means better oxygen delivery to your heart muscle and reduced strain on your cardiovascular system during physical activity or stress. Benefit number 4, dramatic blood pressure reduction. Multiple studies have documented pomegranates' ability to significantly lower blood pressure, and the results are remarkable. Research published in Complementary Therapies showed that pomegranate juice reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. One study found that men with high blood pressure who drank pomegranate juice daily for 6 weeks experienced a 10-point reduction in systolic blood pressure and a 6-point reduction in diastolic blood pressure. The mechanism behind this effect involves pomegranate's ability to enhance nitric oxide production in your blood vessels. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, reducing the pressure needed to pump blood through your circulatory system. This gives your heart a much-needed break and reduces wear and tear on your arterial walls. Benefit number 5, cholesterol profile optimization. Pomegranates don't just lower your bad cholesterol, they actually optimize your entire cholesterol profile in ways that will surprise you. Studies have shown that regular pomegranate consumption decreases LDL, bad cholesterol, while simultaneously increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in pomegranates prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, which is a crucial step in preventing arterial plaque formation. When LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, it becomes much more likely to stick to arterial walls and create blockages. Pomegranates essentially make your cholesterol less dangerous while improving the balance between good and bad cholesterol. Benefit number 6, inflammation reduction throughout the cardiovascular system. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of heart disease, and pomegranates are incredibly powerful anti-inflammatory agents. The fruit contains compounds like punicalagin and ellagic acid that significantly reduce inflammatory markers throughout your cardiovascular system. This anti-inflammatory effect helps prevent the development of arterial plaque, reduces damage to blood vessel walls, and supports overall cardiovascular health. By consuming pomegranates regularly, you're essentially providing your heart with ongoing protection against the inflammatory processes that lead to heart disease. Benefit number 7, enhanced oxygen delivery and circulation. Because pomegranates improve blood flow, thin the blood, and optimize arterial function, they dramatically enhance oxygen delivery throughout your body. Better oxygen flow means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to meet your body's energy demands, and you'll feel more energetic and alert throughout the day. Improved circulation also means better nutrient delivery to your heart muscle itself. Your heart is a muscle that requires constant energy and nutrients to function optimally. When circulation improves, your heart receives better nourishment, allowing it to maintain strength and efficiency as you age. Here's the crucial part that could make or break your results. Not everyone can access these heart protective benefits equally. Much of your gut microbiome composition is determined at birth, and lifestyle factors like smoking, alcohol consumption, poor diet, and antibiotic exposure can hurt the beneficial gut bacteria needed to convert pomegranate compounds into urolithin A. If you don't have the right gut bacteria, you can't access the anti-aging and heart protective properties of urolithin A. However, research is underway to determine the benefits of taking urolithin A directly as a supplement, so people who can't produce it naturally may still be able to reap these incredible benefits. How to get maximum heart protection. For maximum heart protection, eat fresh pomegranate seeds rather than drinking juice. While pomegranate juice provides concentrated antioxidants, it's high in sugar and lacks the essential fiber found in whole fruit. The fiber is crucial for supporting the gut bacteria that convert pomegranate compounds into heart protective molecules. The recommended amount is about half a pomegranate daily. You can add the seeds to salads, eat them as a snack, or incorporate them into smoothies. The key is consistency. These heart protective effects build up over time with regular consumption. Here's an easy way to prepare pomegranates. Cut around the crown of the fruit, remove the top, score along the natural ridges, and crack it open. Place the sections over a bowl and tap with a wooden spoon to release the seeds. Rinse with water to remove the white membrane pieces, which will float to the top. Remember, pomegranates work best as part of a comprehensive approach to heart health that includes regular exercise, stress management, and a balanced diet. But adding this one simple fruit to your daily routine could provide your heart with protection that goes far beyond what most people realize is even possible. The science is clear. Pomegranates offer some of the most powerful, natural heart protection available. Your cardiovascular system deserves this level of care, and now you know exactly how to provide it. Start with just half a pomegranate today and give your heart the cellular-level protection it's been waiting for. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload a new video every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.